Hello. Welcome to my channel, Atanasoft Studio. Today we are going to learn one of Excel function called Groupby. So imagine you have this data, which is around 698 workers. You have this data, and you are going to calculate this, the salary column, and this is their department. So we want to know what is the total salary for each department. What is the total salary per department? So we are going to give a small Excel function which will give us the cumulative. So you come here. So let's department at the top, then total salary. I have total salary. So what do? You enter equals group by. So we are using the group by function. Then let's come and select the entire column which contains the departments, all the departments, comma. Then we select their salaries, comma. Then we are saying sum. Close the bracket. So group by the column, which is the department, then the sum of the salary. You press enter. Watch something. So this is it. That's it. So with group by, instead of using filter, the group by function is telling us that ABC group, that's the department ABC group, their total salary is 409,100. Audit service 1.2, engineering 5.7, executive education 1.8, logistics 3.8, manufacturing 12.6, quality control 8.02, and the total salary was 65 million. That's group by function. We can tell that okay, don't sum, but rather give us the average. So we are grouping by average. We press enter. So the average salary of ABC group is 81,000. Other service is 80,000. Compliance 98. Engineering 100,000. Engineering 110. Environmental 77. Executive 99. Manufacturing 92. Even though most of the costs were coming from this side. That's the group by function. Thank you for watching.